today we're making my refrigerator tube plant hanger for outside. And I have my 1/2-inch copper tubing that I got at the home improvement store. And it comes in a coil, so I'm just going to unwrap it a little bit. I don't want to make it completely straight because we're going to end up using some of the curl that it's already got. And the more you bend it, the more kinky it gets. So I like to be very careful and not bend it too much so that the nice curve that it comes with stays there. So I'm going to unravel some of the tubing depending on your design, and then I'm going to use my little pipe cutter and I'm going to put it on to the copper tubing and twist it down so that it's tight around the tubing, and then I just turn it around and around the tube until it cuts. And you have to tighten it again every once in a while. So I'm just going to keep turning it around and around the copper tube, tightening as I go. That makes the blade tighter around the tube until it comes apart and you have a perfectly round cut.